Hello, and welcome to My Money Grows, where we discuss ways to navigate tough financial times. Today's topic is 4 ways on how to make money in a recession. When the economy is in a downturn, it can be challenging to find ways to make money. However, there are still opportunities available if you know where to look. Here are 4 ways to make money in a recession. Online marketplaces. Online marketplaces such as eBay, Etsy, and Amazon are great places to sell items you no longer need or want. During a recession, people are often looking to save money by buying second-hand items, so there is a high demand for these types of products. Freelancing. Freelancing is a way to make money during a recession. Companies may not have the budget to hire full-time employees, but they still need work done. Freelancers can offer their services at competitive rates, and companies can get the work they need done without having to hire additional staff. Virtual services. Virtual services such as tutoring, coaching, and consulting can be done remotely and are in high demand during a recession. People are often looking to improve their skills and knowledge during tough economic times, and they are willing to pay for the right expertise. Investing. Investing during a recession can be a way to make money in the long term. Stocks and other investments are often priced lower during a recession, so it can be a good time to buy and hold on to them for when the economy rebounds. Those were the 4 ways on how to make money in a recession. It's important to remember that a recession is a difficult time for many people, and making money should not come at the expense of others. If you're looking to make money during a recession, be sure to explore these options and stay ethical in your pursuits. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.